Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory that we have. This is going to be a 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX. It's a beautiful boat. The bright red will look really good out there on the water. We're going to take a step inside and look at some of our favorite features. This boat is here at MarineMax, so we're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. You got a great pro shop with all of the things that you could possibly need. We have a great finance department that's going to get you set up with financing and insurance as well. And then our service department is second to none. We're going to be able to give you that peace of mind while you're out there on the water. Make sure that you guys are comfortable. Let's take a step inside and take a look. First feature I wanted to show you guys is on the transom. Actually, this is an awesome addition for us. This is a swim step that actually folds down into the water while you're out there on the water. It's really nice for you guys to chill on the back of the boat. Makes it really, really easy to get in and out of the boat. You also have your ladder on this side as well. Let's look inside the boat. All right guys, first thing I want to show you is another thing back here on the transom. Sea Ray is really focused on the comfortability on the back of the boat. So you got the swim step in the water, and then you've also got this awesome transom seat where you guys are going to be able to hang out and chill looking towards the back of the boat. As we step inside the boat, you can see they've done a really good job with the 21-foot platform. You've got a bunch of seating in here, as well as your co-captain seat, which is really nice. You got a full cover bimini top. And then here on the dash, they kept it nice and simple. We do have a Fusion stereo head unit that's going to be Bluetooth, aux, anything that you guys need. And then all of your gauges and everything make it really easy for the driver when you guys are out there. Finally, as we step forward into the bow, we have some awesome bow seating right here. Going to be able to fit 2 to 3 adults. It's going to be nice to kind of expand that seating arrangement here on the 21-foot platform. Again, this is a 21 SPX from Sea Ray. My name's Tyler Smith. Come on down to MarineMax and we can get you squared away.